He records the events with his phone camera to find answers. I'm home alone, but I hear strange noises. One Nick Pick says, the door keeps knocking, but nobody's there. The door bangs loudly, making him feel nervous.
I'm alone. I'm hearing my own voice upstairs. The door won't stop knocking, and there's nobody there. This door keeps banging. Nobody's there. Go away! Ooh, that was right over my shoulder. Who's
As he investigates, the knocking gets louder. Then, a shadowy figure appears in his bedroom, walks through the door, and disappears.